I joined Pennine in 1999 as an apprentice, so I've now been at the company about 17 years, and I started on the bench fixing Interquartz telephones, and I did that for around 2 years, and I also went to Bolton College at the same time doing my apprenticeship. I then moved over to the engineering team, and I began doing cabling work, and then moved into system engineering. I had a period where I was on the maintenance desk as well, so doing faults for existing customers. I then moved back over to the engineering team where I was involved in installing IP office systems mainly, so the Avaya systems, but we also worked on Panasonic, Wi-Fi, networks, and then an opportunity came up in the sales team, so I moved over to them and did pre-sales. So now my current role is doing pre-sales support. Generally I'll be involved from kick-off meetings with potential customers. So it generally involves me going out to site with the salesperson, gauging more information from the customer and what they're trying to achieve. We can do, at that time we can do system demonstrations for them. That would then lead to me doing a system design to pass on to the sales guys, who will then quote accordingly for the solution. If we're successful with that and the business places business with us, I'll then assist in arranging the transition from sales through to engineers. So providing information for the engineering team, network services as well, if there's anything involved such as SIP trunking, and getting them all set up, and then it's a handover to the engineering team. So I do get enjoyment from my job, certainly doing the pre-sales role at Pennine. When we're involved in large projects, for instance with colleges, it's nice to see the end delivery of something that you've designed. So we're working with big colleges who are key for resilient system builds now. So using SIP trunks and the IP office infrastructure, we can deliver them a solution that's far superior to what they've previously had. And it's nice to see that once it's in and working, and then hopefully hearing praise from the customers to say that they're in a far better situation now.